What if the world you see, hear, and feel isn't just out there, but is actively built inside your head, moment by moment? We're diving deep into the brain's incredible neural networks, the biological algorithms that don't just process information, but literally construct the reality you experience every single day. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about perception. We're unraveling how the brain's intricate neural networks construct our subjective reality, moving beyond mere processing to reveal the dynamic, emergent architecture that shapes perception itself. This explores the profound implications of our internal models, demonstrating how these biological algorithms literally build the world we experience. The brain's internal simulation engine constantly engages in predictive coding, forming a hypothesis, testing it, and then adjusting. Memories subtly shape our perception, influencing how we interpret new information. Our brains are constantly making hallucination-like corrections to maintain a coherent reality. Neuroplasticity highlights the brain's incredible ability to rewire itself. Learning actively reshapes our internal models, allowing us to adapt and grow. This conveys empowerment. Conscious effort can reshape your perception of reality. Comparing biological neural networks with artificial neural networks reveals fascinating parallels. This journey into the brain's architects touches upon profound philosophical questions of free will and consciousness. If you're fascinated by how your brain builds your world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more mind-bending science with us. Join us as we continue to marvel at the brain's internal architects.